All right, this should be live now.
Hello?
Okay. All right, we should be good now. We're on the stream.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Perfect. Yeah. So how'd the day go today?
Man, it's been cool. She's been sleeping in.
That's all good.
Yeah.
Shoot. I was feeling. Oh, I think I had some allergies this weekend, so I'm starting to finally feel better. I took some medicine last night. Woke up this morning. Man, I'm telling you, I did that back testing this morning. And you know when your head's not in the game, I think I had like 4 or 5 losses in a row. I was like, all right, my head's not in the game right now. Uh, yeah. So got Nasdaq up right now. Can you see the screen?
Yeah, I can see it.
All right, cool. Yeah, this is the Nasdaq February 2024.
Hmm.
So a couple months ago. Doing a little top down. Do any back testing this weekend?
Yeah, I went back just to kind of understand like the market structure, liquidity from one side, grabbing us.
Mm-hmm.
That shit could get kind of tricky.
It can because
It's,
you know.
it bounces so many different spaces.
Mm-hmm. And when it gets up to an area before it flips, it's like that consolidation can get tricky.
Hmm.
You get wicked out right before the real move.
Yeah, for sure. A lot of manipulation. First, you get a nice little downtrend, and then price comes all the way back to the top end, and people don't be paying attention to
Uh-huh.
that. I'm like, damn, the market is crazy how it moves.
The longer you look at it, the longer you pay attention, the easier it gets.
Yeah,
Or, tap that right there. 15-minute.
Damn, I can't. It's coming to that bigger structure.
Mm-hmm. Now this is 1 p.m.
The top.
Ooh. Oh, yeah, the markup is gone. Alright, I'm gonna just do the most recent thing. Let's mark up this high. Alright, let's see how this plays out. $116. So that's the first minute of the new first 15-minute candle.
Sure.
So what we have is came up, put this low, put this high, which is lower than this one, close back inside over here. This candle failed to make this new high over here. I'll try to shorten out of the zone. Try it out. Mm-hmm. Okay, what happened here? Yeah, we're still pushing up. I'll leave that right there.
Yep. Looks like the price went to break through.
Mm-hmm. do that. $30.
Okay. See if it pulls back. I think it's pulling back. Okay.
Okay, with all of this right here. So close above. Even right here. Back inside. Yeah. Close above. Breakout pullback continuation. $226.
Damn.
Right?
Good push.
Seriously. So yeah, we had this right here that broke out, pulled back. First move was the 1-to-1. Second was the real move. Didn't quite tap into this high. Came back inside. You can see it's coming back in to fill this up. This must be Federal Powell speaking or something.
Monday.
Yeah.
Yeah. The thing dropped crazy.
This is the whole day. Close over here.
All right. Looks like it's coming to that zone. Yeah, boom. Give me the push, baby. Give me the push, baby.
Let's see. Deep into the zone. Now does it respect it?
Damn, broke right through it. Look like it want to go lower.
Yeah. That's where you get ready to sell from if this zone holds up here. Kept going down. Let's see.
I think it's gonna aim.
You think it's gonna do what?
I think it's gonna aim to go lower. Or
Yeah.
just sweep. Yeah. Sweep that low.
Yeah. Trade into this. Let's see. We got a target now. Tapped it. Closed above that. Matter of fact, do this. Go straight through it. Going lower.
I think should get a nice low bounce. Okay. Pull back into it. That's equal high.
I think it went just under.
Okay. I think it'll break it.
Break the highs.
Yeah, let's see.
Alright. So we had escalator up, elevator down. Then we got this low broken. This high is still intact.
Mhm.
Made a lower high over here, but we hadn't gone lower yet.
Yeah. Let's see. Boom.
So we close lower than here.
Mm-hmm.
We could trade back up or close over here.
Let's see. Okay.
Trade it up into this area. So if we were to short, we'd have this over here. But this may be building up some accumulation for us to come back up a little bit further. Let's see. Tapped it. We're past 4 o'clock now. Almost 5. Is this New York time? Okay. So this is really lunchtime. All right, cool. So this was 9:30. Oh, okay, that makes more sense why I moved like this. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. All right. 12, 15. I'll go ahead and advance it 1 hour. Cool. Now we're at 1:15.
That's crazy how they never broke it.
Right? That's that lunch hour for you. So we traded into the 50% over here. So I'll go ahead and take this thing out. So what happened over here? We had a leg
Whenever I see
down.
liquidity build up like that,
Mm-hmm.
it usually wants to sweep it. It looked like it kind of swept it already.
To the low, right?
It swept the low,
Yeah.
and then the high that wick might be a sweep too. You see the little wick up?
Right here.
No, that pushed up, yeah.
Yeah.
Because sometimes it'll come and like wick even harder.
Yeah, that's that final liquidity sweep, getting rid of all the people that had shorted up high. So yeah, there's our 50 level for this little accumulation right there. We've had a leg down. We're just trading up for the past hour, barely. It's more like a consolidation. Oh, one more thing. So for the 5, this is the end of the day. Then we had this flip.
That's broke above. Looked like it tested it.
Yeah, one tap. Second tap right here. Let's close them above.
Damn.
Everybody that went long over there.
Cooked.
Yes. Well done. Down into the 50. Okay.
It's crazy how the true moon be pushing so quick.
Mm-hmm.
It definitely sweeped all that shit below.
Yeah. I mean, the whole time they just got people in between these two areas, from the move down to the bottom, and we hadn't even topped it yet. That's almost 3. So that's from 12 to over here.
Boom.
A nice close.
See how quick it moved?
Yeah, because this only took 15 minutes. That's one candle right there. One 15-minute bar. Second one, and the third,
Crazy.
45-minute. $3.30. Trade through that. Okay. Okay. That's the day. Yeah, so the best move was right there by NYSE. We had consolidation and another leg down to the low of the day. Came back test this area. This was the real move, like you said, to move up. So
One way I like to identify it, I put like a line and an X. You know, I know that's where price is gonna like take the money.
like have a little line like that,
With an
and
X, yeah.
like right on the center or something.
Uh-huh. And I put it where there's a lot of wick, just to like help me like remember like if price hasn't grabbed it, it's gonna do it eventually. You see what I'm saying? So I put it right, no, above a little bit, up, up some more, like right there. Yeah.
Okay.
So that tells me like this liquidity sitting. So I
Right
put the
above.
X below it. Yeah, that up above. So like sometimes you're looking, you don't really like see it, and until you see like, oh shit, the market just sweep.
All the time.
See, now you can see like, okay, the market sweep below, and then continue
Mm-hmm.
going up. Boom. Yeah.
So yeah, we got that sweep right there, and then
Hmm.
this right here, the sweet spot.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
responsible for the break. Okay.
So this is 10 p.m., 2 a.m., 6, 7, 8. All right, what do we have here? We've got the high of the day,
Hmm.
low of the day, intermediary high right here. We got our low right here. So what did the Asian session do? Did one of these. This high came down to this low, and we didn't break out until right here. Had a little bit of consolidation in the upper half until it goes down, completely trading up below the zone.
Hmm.
This low created this high up here. Oh, sorry, this low created this high, came down, closed above right here. Retest continued, broke above that, traded completely through that area.
And they came back and tested.
All the way down to the 90, engulfing, went further. So now that we have this area right here, hadn't been tested.
Which one?
This one right here.
Oh, the new area.
Yeah. So this big imbalance right here, basically.
Hmm. I ain't
So
gonna
yeah,
lie. My balance still confuses me a little bit.
it does. And I still hear some people don't even use them anymore.
Because a lot of people, some people trade off of them,
Hmm.
and then like,
I would use them as like a point of reference. So like
yeah.
if I have an imbalance right here and then right
Hmm.
here too, like this is one, and it kind of get a tapping reaction off of that one. But you have this higher one over here,
Hmm.
which completely trades through, you know. And then you got this one right here, the lower one, where
Yeah, that's what
it's
gets me
perfect.
because it's like, damn, that makes you hesitant.
Right. So it's just like I put it there and I just see how it reacts. If I get like a bullish candle off of it, then I'm like, okay, I'll wait for this wick down here to retest into this to try to go long.
Hmm.
And I'm doing it break even as soon as possible. Because it could, if you're right, you don't want it to come back on you.
Hmm.
All right, now it's our current high of the day. We wicked into it. It's a 5-minute chart. goes higher. Still got yesterday's high up here. That's current day low. And yesterday's low down there.
Alright.
This is
Okay. Pulling back.
824. On the mark. Off. And by SE open.
Damn.
We got the tap right there.
Okay. Thing shot up quick.
It did. That's your quick 1-to-1 right there in 1 minute. Let's see if we come back down on the second candle. Oh, okay.
And then I feel like it's going. Let's see.
It could just go straight through.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Oh, there we go.
As we're approaching NYSE open. So it already tapped to 50 in this, so we're not even going to draw that out. Goes above. Just want to look at the whole day now.
Man, price shot up.
Yeah. Past yesterday's high. Came down. Reversed for this area right here. Fling it at a longer time frame. Come down here yet. Goes above. Hold back to its previous range. Continued up higher. 1 hour. Okay.
Okay. Looks like it broke the higher high.
Get more volume in these candles. Let's see. Candle.
Okay, big ass engulfing candle.
Yep. We pull back. Yeah, we pull back into there. Closed even lower. Could have a third candle that's bearish. Do. Breaks the high. Doesn't break the low. Closes bearish still.
Boom. That's a drop.
I got this little. Area that closes like that.
I think it's gonna come back to the structure that it broke.
Up here?
No, below.
Below? Yeah.
Yeah, right.
It's closed as a doji that breaks the low, triggers shorts in. Closed up here.
Shoot up.
Could shoot up. Could shoot up.
Let's see. A lot of indecisions.
Right? So I'm gonna try this right here. Could shoot up.
Boom. Boom.
And then you would have one that kind of like wicks down and then shoots up. Yeah, wicks
So
down, comes down here. Break evens, take profit. So this one right here was, yeah, that was a wonder one right there already. So come back down even lower. Oh, this off the screen.
I broke that structure.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, coming back for the retest.
Got like,
I noticed sometimes it taps candle to can wicks to wick.
yeah.
It doesn't always need to come like all the way to it. Yeah, that wick to wick.
Mm-hmm. Oh wow.
Pushed up. Man, it's engulfed it too.
Trades right through that.
Mm-hmm.
Now we close above. Ooh, no chance of retracement on that yet.
Hold on, let me
There we go.
let me zoom out. Damn, let's sweep liquidity. That's all it did.
Yep.
Yes, you gotta. That shit happens too much. I, I'm gonna master that shit. They always come and sweep it below.
This guy habits. Wow. Got this low from that high. Trades all the way down here. Got this right here, and then boom. It doesn't give you much more than outside the zone right here.
Mhm. Why did they come all the way up to that area?
So right here,
Yeah, no, the second one.
this one
The higher
up
low.
here.
Yeah, that one. I know like it sweep and it just came right back to the.
So wait, let me mark this out. I had this right here. Oh, wait, too far. This right here. Then this low up into here. From this previous range.
Mhm.
So from this high to this low. So I got this little structure that reacted from up here, wicked up from the 50% of this down here before we had that reaction to come back lower. So it just takes out these highs over here from the midpoint of this range.
Mhm.
Let me take this out. So yeah, if I use this, it would clear. It's 9:30. Maybe if I look clear on a 5 minute. 930 engulfs, continues down into this area
Mhm.
right here. So you take the low and the high from this area. We have these two reactions right here. This first initial one brings us up back into this previous range
Mhm.
before we had that move back down to close probably lower than this. That huge wick up, enticing buyers to come up and sell it off. Sometimes it looks clear on a 5 minute because
Yeah.
you can see the whole day progressing. Yeah, this is our start of the day. At this, and it's possible that it will come down and revisit these lows as we take out these highs. Let's see. Up here, it is right. It's a 5 minute. Tap back into the 50. Wow.
Look right up there.
I don't know if you can hear that. You hear that dog snoring?
Mhm.
He's probably loud.
Man, knocked out.
You know? Take this back. Actually, I'll take this off real quick. So what happened? This come back over here.
Mhm.
Didn't close below this at all. So we had a pullback, traded back into this range right here. Closed below and reversed. Closed above higher than this. So this is the low that brought this new high.
Okay.
And we traded past the current day and yesterday's high.
Yeah. It look like it's just trying to go somewhere. It ain't
Right.
stopping. I wonder if that is. See
Yeah,
what
we're making
range.
newer highs,
I don't
new
know where it's
all-time
trying to go
highs.
to. Oh, it's all. It's at the
It's at the all-time.
all-time high. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. A lot of people don't like trading the all-time high because like you don't know where the market's gonna
Gonna
stop
drop
and
to.
reverse. Yeah.
Yeah. That's why you just trade with the trend. Because, people can be expecting the price to pull back for a long time and it just keeps going up higher and higher. Or you just look for a specific spots to get in at. Okay.
Ooh, pull back. I look like a sweep. Let's see.
Uh-huh.
Test. Enter.
Yeah. Right here would be a good entry.
Mm-hmm. Perfect. See, that's all we need right there. Boom.
That went straight up.
TP. Yeah. Those are the moves I'm starting to see a lot better.
Uh-huh. Those are the type of moves that'll excuse me, get you in and out with no heat, stress
Mm-hmm.
free.
Yeah, and you could load up the lots your lot size crazy too.
Oh yeah, especially when you know what the setup's looking like and how it's forming.
Mm-hmm.
Took out a high, came back into a little previous area, closed above, retest, continue. That's
I
that
took I
same. Hmm.
I took a buy like that on Nas.
Yeah,
I seen that right there. I took it right up in there like that. I saw that. I was like, I'm going in. Almost.
exactly.
It pulled back for just a little better. It shot up like a slingshot.
Telling you, when you get into those moves and it just,
So
immediately trades into direction,
it's a move I'm
feels
noticing.
good.
I call it like the Nike check.
The Nike check, okay.
So right there, you see if you go, yeah, like that, and then it shoots up. No, it doesn't do that.
Kind of like that.
So it pulls. I'll show you. Yeah, something like that, something like that. But I like look to your far left. Look to your left where you have the 50% at.
Right here.
No, scroll. Yeah, yeah. No, next one. Yeah, that move. You see how it pushed down and then it push up and then it pushed down again and it pushed back up. It's like a Nike kind of sign or the big push.
Yeah, I can see that.
I know I see that pattern so much now.
And getting it at right below a level
Hmm
where it's consolidating like that, yeah, you can
hmm
get a good big push and pretty much a range expansion.
Yeah, but I noticed it needs to do like that. It has to form like this. It has to push down. It has to break some type of structure, pull back again, and then it shoots up like crazy. Yeah. Oh, that was a sneeze.
Oh no, it's
Ah,
a little bug over here.
yeah. So that's a pattern I started
Good.
noticing.
Yeah, get a bunch of screenshots of like the executions you take.
Okay.
Save them. Tell you because when you see that pattern, you can be like, oh yeah, that's it. That's money. Man, this dog is going in.
I say I ain't got no bills. I ain't got no worries.
Shoot, eating like 3 times a day.
Yeah, I'm telling you, dogs be living a good life.
Seriously. So yeah, we had cleared this area out. Came back down to retest that. Came back up, closed lower.
I hate when this price comes back to your entry.
Hmm.
That shit is annoying.
So the first one, we took out this low. This area may not hold.
Yeah, let's see.
Close above.
Damn.
Back into this.
I think it might come back to that high. Oh, that protected. Yeah, protected higher low.
Right here.
That one or the next one previously. The highest one.
Oh, that has one.
Yeah. So that one or the next one next to it, above it. Yeah, that one. Yeah, I like that one. I think it might just break through and come back to that one. Let's see how it plays out.
Yeah, it's looking like that.
No, okay, it came back. I think it's pushing down. Okay, equal highs form. I would take a trade. It's,
Right here.
it's not breaking. It's not breaking. Boom, test, drop.
So you want to take a long,
No,
a short?
short. Mm-hmm. Put,
Stop loss right here.
yeah.
Very cool.
Boom.
Nice.
Ah, shit.
It's all right.
There you go. Damn, did not hit. Okay, why did it come
Just,
back?
just got this high right here. Let me zoom in. So we came back up
Mm-hmm.
just, just by a pip. Took out that high. Next candle was a doji.
Okay, I get confused because sometimes I thought the body needed to close for it to break structure.
Oh no. So yes, the body does need to close for it to break structure.
Mm-hmm.
But sometimes what happens is we'll get traders going long for a long amount of time with this trend.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
We break it, and then we get them back up to that point to where we trigger longs into the market and just
Mm-hmm.
dump price down on them, liquidating them.
Mm-hmm.
So you got this candle bringing shorts in because we closed below. So it's like, okay, we broke structure to the downside. So we go trade lower and then immediately pull them back up and trigger longs from this previous high that was here.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, these two back here are equal highs. So that's built
Mm-hmm.
up liquidity shorts from that area.
Mm-hmm.
Trigger the longs in because, you know, we're approaching this zone
Mm-hmm.
and then we take them out. So let's see if we can close below here.
Yeah. Okay. That's no good. There we go. Boom.
Yep, that shouldn't come back.
Knowing price, it might react just off that area right over there on the left.
See.
There you go. It should hit TP. Boom.
Yep, that's a great one right there. Took a little bit of drawdown, but this high
Yeah,
was nice.
I didn't like how he came back to the high,
Yeah,
but
stop loss was in a great area though,
it's
but
close.
very close. So what we want to do is make sure that we have our entry, let's say from this high, and we waited until, let's say, yeah, from this consolidation point right here. We want to get filled right at the 50 points, so our stop loss would be a lot less, 50 point from the consolidation. So that just narrowed our stop loss in half almost. Anywhere from this area, we would be all right. Once we get the confirmation that shorts are in the market. But either way, it was a great trade. That was a great one. So what happened now? We didn't quite pass this area. Now we do. We have all this volume trapped up above from where we're right here,
If
broken
I
the
still
high.
need,
Hmm?
if I still need to come and touch that.
Mm-hmm. We broke this high, leaving this huge wick candle down,
Mm-hmm.
and we've been in a range up here until now. We've recently broke out of that range, trading in to this longer candle down here. So, gonna have this trend going down. So now, what's happening is it's lunch hour, 12:45. That's in another 15 minutes. Now it's 1 o'clock. What has happened since 1 o'clock?
Hello?
Now I see you back on.
And I don't know what happened.
That's probably internet or something.
Yeah, it froze and just kicked me out.
And so we had this trade that came down here, broke past this low, pulled back. This was our previous range right here. So we pulled back up to this area, traded deeper within it, closed back down. Now back at this 50 area. Got a reaction off of it. Didn't close outside of the zone yet. Now we did. Trading up higher. Question is, how do we react when we get up here? Hmm. Nice close. Almost 130. 130 candle closes green.
Okay, so it's coming back to that high.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it's
If
looking like
even.
it.
Okay. Let's see, book that. Boom, boom. Probably could get a nice little buy. Right there. Right
I'm
there.
right here. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, give us that push. There we go. Boom. Boom. You know we gotta move it to break even.
So I'll move it. That's where we get a little bit of profit. Nice.
There we
We're up
go.
600.
Come on. Right. There we go. There we go. Should break through. Damn.
You see
And we did
that?
that.
That's vicious. Tap right at the breakout. That's a great entry right there. Nice
Yeah.
call.
Could take a second entry.
From right here.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah, this is probably the true move now.
This would be a 1-to-1 at this point. All right. Can do that. Entry right there. Get tapped in.
Okay. Damn.
That's crazy.
Not out yet. Come on. Stop playing with us. There we go. Fucking hate when price enters back into the entry. There we go. Come on, baby.
And this one is not for the faint of heart.
That's why you be praying like, come on. Ah,
We're not out yet.
god dang.
Yeah, this is a heartbreaker right here.
Yeah, I don't like trades like this.
No.
And boom.
Okay. So what happened? We had our first entry that was right here at this bearish candle. Stops right here. And we're
Yep.
trading it up to the zone or the 50, which would be a 1 or 2. So immediately straight into profit. That's that 1-to-1. So good practice would be taking partials right there. But since we're back testing, we can't take partials. But in live time, 1-to-1s, that takes them off the table. Came back and took us out at break even down here. So now, since we swept this high, came back down into the previous range, tapped us out. So we had 1, 2 taps right here, close below, making lower highs, and we come back down.
It started ranging.
Yeah, basically. Because once we broke that high of that week before our entry, this is a good signal right here to get out because it could reverse from this point when we close above and make higher highs.
Yeah. Sometimes I be trying to hold it. I know
Yeah,
better now.
yeah. It's when you hold and praise when they take it away.
Terrible feeling, all that profit gone.
Oh yeah, that's what we learned from this. So when it's time to execute in the live market, it's like, all right, I felt this pain before. I done back tested this a million times. Go get me in
Facts.
real life now. So we got this low right here. And basically we were in the range between this high and this low for the past, Hour and
1
10
hour.
minutes. Yep. Yeah. All right, I like the way this looks right here.
Damn, that was a really good trade.
This one right here?
So, I don't know though. When we were in,
Yeah, this one
it
was a
just
great
then,
one right here. And you
it just
notice
then. Mhm.
we entered in right below the 50 level because
Mhm.
we see that all right, we put in the low, we engulfed
Yeah.
higher. Yeah, that was amazing. Right in sync.
Hey, on Trading View, when you're trading with the prop firms, can you take half?
Yes. So it's
Oh
kind of
my
weird.
God.
It's kind
I
of
was
weird.
trying to figure out how to do that.
All right. If you want, let me see. You could share your screen on the stream, and I'll
Oh
put it
shoot,
up
I'm not
there.
on my computer. I have to get on
Oh,
my
you
computer.
okay? Um,
Hold on. Let me see if I can get on my.
okay.
I'm on my phone. Hold on.
I
Yeah, 'cause
can
I was
push
like,
this.
so you could do it on Top Step too, right?
I hadn't used Top Step yet,
Because it's all it has is like flat. I don't know like which one to press to take half.
so I've been using Tradeovate, and
Okay.
the way they kind of do it is a little weird.
Okay.
Let's just say you enter in two contracts on the Dow Jones. You'd
Uh-huh.
have your stop loss and you take profit. I would click on your stop loss, and where it says two contracts, I move it down to one and adjust your stop loss or take profit to
That's what I
wherever.
think.
Hmm,
I think I tried to do that, but it didn't work.
really?
And then like whenever on the TradingView platform, it's kind of weird because if I don't put a stop loss when I take a entry,
Hmm.
I can't. For some reason, they won't let me like do it if I don't do it right away.
Yeah, yeah. I don't
It's
think
really
there's a way.
stupid.
Yeah, I don't think there's a way for us to do that on Tradeovate yet. I don't like that at all either. But it does force me to, predefine my risk before I get in. So
Get
I don't,
yeah.
what I'm saying? I don't lose more than you anticipate. Because that was one problem with MetaTrader. I would just get into a position and worry about a stop loss later.
For real.
Yeah, that was like early on. I'm trading while I'm at the desk working. So we get into that zone now. From the time the song was made, 4 hours. So this is basically a 4 hour candle that opened
Alright, let me see. Get on
right
my
here,
Google.
wick down low, closed up. So this is a bullish 4 hour candle up here that's about to close. Possibly 3 p.m.
I'm about to get off from the phone.
Okay.
I'm on the computer.
Okay. Okay, I think I can hear you now.
Okay.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah.
Let's see. Let me see. Let me share my screen with you real quick.
All right.
Where is it? Share screen. I guess this one. I ain't gonna lie, I thought this play was gonna work out.
Oh, which one? Oh,
I created
okay.
equal high. But it looked like it broke it, and then it just started dropping.
Mm, all right, I got it full screen now. All right, I can see.
Yeah. So
Oh yeah, it's coming with a lot of force. So what it did was retest that higher, yeah,
yeah,
that
that's what I
higher zone
peeped.
that you got marked out. Yeah.
Yeah, right here, that's what I peeped. It was like it came in and then it dropped. I was like, I saw it after it happened. I was like, oh shit.
Oh, this is gold now. Yeah.
Yeah. I
Oh,
was
it's at
like,
an it's at an interesting point right now.
yeah, because I was like, I saw this and I was like, okay, I was confident to get in right here.
Hmm.
Shit, sap.
So it didn't close above that wick to the left yet.
Which one? This one? Or are you talking about this one?
Yeah, the
No,
the one that's and that,
it came to this one.
yeah. Okay, yeah, it closed. But this is a hourly chart. Yeah.
Yeah, it closed above it, but it just started dropping. As you can see, it
Yeah.
dropped below.
Just because it closes above, um, see if you scale it down to maybe like a 5 minute or a 1 minute.
Let's see.
All right. Oh, yeah, you see that? Hold on, let me see if I can options live stream quality. Oh,
I don't know. I feel like it's playing on my phone. Can you hear me like echoing a
I can
lot?
nah, I can hear you loud and clear. It was just the
Okay.
picture quality because I'm trying to like okay, I can see it a little bit better now. So yeah, we barely get a close above right there because the first two kind of okay. I see that. So you entered in
I entered in here.
right there,
I pulled
and that
back,
was
came back, and then that bitch just dropped.
so put a box around that big engulfing candle, the bullish engulfing candle to the left where that wick
This
was on the higher time frame. Yeah. So we don't really have a strong close above that zone
mm,
because if bullish, we would close strongly above it and then pull back to retest to continue.
hmm So from here, it went
Um,
low, came, came back up into it with, that's a shooting star.
so now if you was going long
hmm
down there,
Like
you'd have
here,
a nice little 1 to 1.
this one.
Yeah. Oh no, right where you had the right where it kind of wicked above that box up top. Yeah. Now with that pullback, because we broke through. Right, we have that little area just to the left where it can hold up.
This one or
Um, the one that's just right next to it, where you have that big up and the big wick down, and both ones that you got marked out. So move to your right a little bit. It's was 9, yeah, like 9:15.
Right here. This one.
Okay, 9 o'clock. Try 9 o'clock. A little bit further to the left.
So it's a 9 o'clock.
Yeah, yeah. All right, so you got that. You got that bullish candle that wicked up into that zone that you got marked out, and you got the
Okay.
bearish candle trading in, right? So you take a 50 of that right there, and you can see how it lines up. It's why you got that big move, that second move up.
Yeah.
So take the 0 point, the top one, and put it at the top of the bullish candle.
This one or that one?
The one that was at like 9:05 a.m. or p.m. So bring it down, bring it down. Yeah, and then just extend it to. Oh, go back up.
Oh, like right here.
Right above. Yeah, yeah, and then extend it to the right a little bit.
Bro.
All right, cool. So you see, we had that high and that low, and then we break out and we make a new high above that box. Then we trade back into that 50 to go long again. Then when it comes back down to the 50, you see that it fails and trades completely through. So that zone becomes invalidated.
Damn. Okay, I see.
Yeah. So I mean, really, you had that zone up there, and you had the zone down here, the higher time frame zone. So for a minute, we're just trading in between.
Yeah. Looks
So
like
where
it's
we're
back
at
and
right
forth.
now in price, yeah, where we're at now, where price is at now, it's possible based off a higher time frame and where we're at in market structure that we could respect the zone and shoot up, and that might be the bullish move that you were looking for.
Yeah, I kept telling myself I got in too early,
Hey,
especially when I was looking at it.
if you feel that way, just wait it out because you're not going to lose any money waiting.
Yeah, yeah. No cap. Yeah, because I was like, damn, I was like, I'm a little too early because I didn't like how it started moving and it started sitting. And then I saw the
Hmm. Yeah,
pullback. I was expecting it to go poof.
yeah. Now, unless you're trading off of like the 15-minute or the 1 hour, you shouldn't be waiting for price to be moving. If you're trading on a 5 minute, it should be like a couple candles, like 10, 15, maybe 30 minutes or 45 minutes before the move goes.
Mhm. Damn.
But I don't think there's no news on the calendar for tonight. We might have something for London, but it's
There's
NFP
some,
week, so
yeah, there's some news in the morning.
okay.
I think the news started at like 9:45 and then 10.
Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. Let me look at. I'm full of gold right now. I'm not sure and see. Yeah.
So
Oh, I see that now.
okay, so how do you take partial again? You said
Yeah. So if you open up your like trade platform,
right here.
all right. So let's just say you open up a stop loss and take profit, right?
Yeah.
And you got 6 units.
Mm-hmm.
When you enter in that position, you'll see that you have your 6 contracts at market order, and then
Mm-hmm.
your sell limit and your sell stop, or your
Mm-hmm.
buy stop and your buy limit. So
Mm-hmm.
for your stop loss, you would click on that number where it says 6 units, and then adjust it. Let's say if you want to take half, you just turn it into 3
There you go.
and drag it up to where, yeah, drag it up to where you want to take your profit at, or you want to put your stop loss at, and it'll
Uh,
take partial of whatever
so when it,
contract it is.
so if you're in the market, you just
Yeah,
press the number, you take the thing. You move it and you press three, and then you hit modify.
Yeah. So I'll show you a screenshot.
Yeah, that shit's
Um,
confusing.
it is like I had to figure it out because I'm used to taking like partials.
Yeah,
That that's how you get paid. And if it runs, it runs. But if it comes back and you break even, at least you took some. You're leaving with something. If you
yeah,
leave with something every day, you're gonna win.
yeah.
So I'm gonna go ahead and mark up this one so you can see. Matter of fact, go ahead and share this right here. Copy. Send it to you right here. So on that screenshot that I just sent in the chat, where it says sell stop, I would just click on that four
Let
and
me see.
hit modify. And if I want to take half, I would just put two there. And then it will
So,
adjust my sell limit and sell stop.
so on the so when it's in profit, right, and then you just go, you move the stop loss, or you move the sell limit.
I personally move the stop loss. So if it comes back and takes me out, it'll only take me out partially.
Oh,
But
okay, 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 I see.
yeah, but if it reaches a target, let's say if it reaches your first TP, you can go ahead and set your first TP to take out half. So like on that sell limit, you can mark it up as two. So if it trades above that, you get off at half. But if it continues to go up, you still got two contracts still live.
Hmm.
But the only thing is when one of the targets gets hit, whether it be a sell limit or sell stop,
Hmm.
it's gone. Like so now you got to manually manage your precision.
Yeah, that shit is stupid. I don't know why.
I don't like that at all. They should fix that
Yeah, there's a
because
lot
other
of shit
brokers,
to fix.
yeah, because other brokers allow you to do that, but Trade of Eight for some reason, I'm not sure why.
Damn.
But all the more reason to once you get your payout from the prop firms, go ahead and fund your own account because we don't have that issues on that.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
Oh yeah.
Well, I took a trade today, and at 9, I'll make it up in the morning.
Oh, on gold.
Yeah, I was into like the setup was nice from what I was seeing.
Hmm.
So that's why I took it. I was confident. The setup when I saw, and then I saw it was a break even. So move this. I saw this, and then it came early, so I was anticipating it would just shoot up to here.
Yeah, see, you get your stop loss right below those wicks.
Huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
And that shit just blew right through it.
One thing to keep in mind though, with that zone that you marked out,
Hmm.
if you would have got in right around the 50 mark of that zone, so put your fib retracements from the top of the zone to the bottom.
From right here.
Yeah, from the higher time frame zone. So bring the I guess the one down to the top of that.
This one.
Mm, no, about bottom. Like go down to the green rectangle. Yeah,
Oh, you're talking about okay from there.
yeah, yeah. And you see what how price reacted on that first big push up. If we look at that at like a 1 minute, we might be able to refine our entry on that because that wick that's left behind. Now you see prices consolidating in between that wick, so we
Hmm.
might find an entry on that too.
I never go to a 1 minute. Yeah, I leave that to you. I'm like this. So much going on. I could read it though.
You
Especially
can, you can, because you
it's
you see
just
some entries when we're back testing.
yeah.
So you see how we have
Okay.
right by 3 p.m. price is just dragging traders down to the bottom of that zone, and then we have that big flip that comes
Yeah.
up, comes down, retests twice before this big push up into the 50 level. We have a small little consolidation at the 50 level, and then trades all the way up to the top of the range.
Yeah.
Because since this is a higher time frame zone, we can get these big moves like that.
Yeah. Damn, look, it came right here too and
Now,
just shut.
right, exactly.
Damn.
So, because when we're in a zone, oh, we got an alert.
Me too. This is gold telling me to buy. I might enter.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. We might catch a live trade on screen. Let's see.
Let's see, it's already pushing up. Oh shit. Let me see. Look in the 15 minutes. Yeah, this is the setup I was looking for. Sweep
Okay.
below, sweep this low. Now it's shooting up. Better get in. Let's see.
Second
I think
chance at redemption.
I might load up this time. I gotta go to, what is it? That's crazy how this one shows so differently. I actually like this. The push, the pullback, right here. I can set it below. Hey, when I'm taking the trade, if I do it with this, does it help?
If you want
Would
to
it
do
make?
like a limit, if you want to do a limit order,
Uh,
it'll automatically populate it.
let's see.
So it'll take like where you have your entry at.
And then go.
Yeah.
I guess I could have my TP hit right here. So good. I guess I could just take it. How much am I betting? Two to lose 150. Let's see. Yeah, I don't want to lose that much. uh,
This is micro gold.
yeah.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. I was about to say, I thought that said 625 per contract.
Yeah, if I do the three, if I do
Oh, if
three,
you did three. Ah, okay,
yeah,
okay, okay.
I'm doing two. I need all that back. So let's go.
And it shows you how many dollars per tick on the risk.
Yeah, so let's do this. Oh shit! Did they put a stop loss?
No, this. Ooh, I close out of that buy limit for a second.
Ah, fuck.
You're not in the
It looked
market
like
yet. Oh yeah, your
okay.
stop loss. All right, now you're in.
Let's do it here. Oh, this is where I would modify, right? If I wanted to just take one and then move it.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, you can move that to 1 unit if you wanted to do half.
Okay. Stop loss. Yeah, I don't like where my stop loss. See, I figured too this price was gonna come to this gap. It might still push to it because it got close. I don't think it filled it completely.
It didn't fill
Shit.
it completely, but it tapped into at least 50% of that gap.
Yeah. That was another thing too. When I was looking, when I seen this, I was like, shit, I see that gap. I know it's gonna come back to it before it does anything. Oh
Yeah,
shit,
because
let
it,
me.
it, it just wicked right into that gap.
This is
Now,
my top step. I'm going to enter on there too.
okay.
This is the practice one. Let me get it right here. See, gold done messed me up. I need my re-entry. Top step is kind of cool to use. Just do this. It's a lot easier than Tradeovate.
I've seen some videos on it. I'm tempted to just go ahead and get an account with them.
It's good. It's smooth. Let's see.
I think they still got that $20
Nah, it's
deal going
29
on.
now.
Okay, that's still not bad.
Mm, It's $29. All right. I'm in. I think this is the trade I was supposed to get in.
Yep. Yeah, because now you're in that zone. You're taking a trade inside the zone, leaving it, and it's already
Yeah.
tapped into the 50. This is clean. This is clean.
Because I got in right around here. I know I was too high. Some was like, someone told me
You
this
already
is way.
you already knew the
Yeah,
trade wasn't like that.
yeah, I already knew it wasn't gonna. But in my mind, like, oh, I'm already in. So
Hmm.
I gotta start listening to my conscience a lot better.
Hey, I mean, you got it. You got it on camera now. You said it on camera. Now you got to do it.
Yeah, I gotta, 'cause I guess like you gotta cut your losses, but sometimes I'll be like, man, I know the move right. I'm just
Well, I see it where you're gonna get to a point where you set up so well on how it should react. Like, because typically you want to get into the market right at the right time, and you know it's the right time because you see your pattern in the zone. Because
mm,
price, that's the most important thing. So when you see price behaving in the area, and you get in, and you're expecting that reaction, your gut is gonna be like, all right, something's not right. If it's not reacting the way it's supposed to, and you're gonna cut your
so,
losses naturally.
yeah, I gotta do better with that.
Yeah, I
I'm,
mean, shoot,
my
you're taking
eyes
it.
was telling me, my
Yeah,
eyes and my heart was like, yo,
something ain't right.
something ain't right. But I was like, I'm seeing profit, so
Hey, you could be wrong and still make money.
yeah,
That's the beauty of it. There'll be plenty of times I get into a sell when I should have been getting into a buy, but it pushed it to the sell just long enough to where I was like, all right, that's enough money. Let me get out. Then boom, it goes the other way.
the other way.
Hmm.
Yeah, this was the entry I was supposed to after all the thing, the pullback came high, sweep price lower in the zone. Now we getting that move. As soon as it get around here, I'm moving it to break even because tomorrow's gonna get shaky.
Let me see. So yeah, I'm on gold right now. Yeah, I got that same thing right there. Gold on Friday. Oh yeah, gold on Friday had a nice high of the day sell right there. Now, this is Monday. We took out that high right there. Took out the low. I could see it trading up higher into this pre-formation. Yeah. This is a good setup, man.
I know I just got in way too early. I think
Yeah.
I was at Starbucks and I saw the Nike check sign.
That.
Told you,
Yep.
but it was just way too early. I should have
Yeah, that
waited
was
a
that was
few
around
hours.
9, I think. Yeah, that was a little early, a little early. Asian session, like their NYSE open, their equity hours open is at 9:30 p.m.
Ah,
So
shit. Okay,
yeah,
see that.
so
I
wait until
didn't.
after 9:30 because 9:30 gave us that dump into the zone. So
Damn, see, I didn't know that.
just keep that in mind. Yeah, Asian session opens at 8, just like how New York session opens at 8, but 9:30 is when real volume comes in.
So I shouldn't even be looking for trades around 8:30 in New York session either, huh?
I mean, there's people that can find trades, but I
Uh,
find myself being more profitable when I wait when I waited till after 9:30 because I see where people get trapped up at, or if
Yeah,
there's a big push, then I'm like, all right, I know we could retrace. If we do, I'm looking for a setup there.
yeah. See, because I was noticing. That's why I was telling my friend like 10 o'clock. That's when you should be looking for New York time because every time I got in at like 7:30, I would always get taken out. And I was like,
Hmm.
I know I'm not a terrible trader. I'm not that bad. I know I'm not that bad. I was like, it's something that during the market open, it's doing a lot of stuff, and I keep getting myself trapped into it.
See, the
You
thing
know.
is,
Hmm.
um, there's people that could trade like on any time, don't even matter what session. London, Asia, New York. That's because they put their time in the charts and they can see the patterns and the behaviors. So
Hmm.
that's why we go ahead and do the back testing and
Hmm.
on any instrument, anytime, whatever, because we know what our setups are. You know, it's going to be a piece of cake. So it's a skill that we're working on
Yeah.
until you get that aha moment. I'm like, oh man, all I had to do is just mark this up as prices because what your eyes are the indicators really. That's all the indicators that you need. You just mark it up to what you see and just let price do its thing.
Mm. Yeah, you're right. 9:30. That's when should be looking for trades because I notice most traders be like, "Oh, I don't start trading till 9."
Hmm. And that's just like a precaution, safety.
Hmm.
Yeah, but if you're really on the ball and you definitely want to trade when there's more volume. So
Yeah.
8 o'clock, the market's just opening.
Hmm.
You may get a push here or there, but it's almost guaranteed after 9:30 you won't get a push because that's when the whole market opens up.
Yeah, banks, everybody coming
Exactly.
up. Yeah.
That's when the big boys usually make their moves. And it could be at 9:30, it could be at 10. But anything after that, you've got price played out. And if there's no big move after that, then you might have something in the PM session, like 1:30. Sometimes you got something at 3 o'clock. So, it's all about, you know, how you're able to read price.
Yeah, makes sense.
Hmm. But
Yeah,
yeah, wait until after 9:30, especially earlier on. It saves you time and time again.
yeah, shoot. Thank you for letting me know because it makes a lot of sense.
I mean, shoot, you see it in the back testing sessions too.
I don't know why my Twitter feed always giving me like Shopify people. Like I don't even follow nobody that does Shopify. These dudes
Oh
be living
yeah.
it up. They lifestyles, their lifestyles crazier than forex people.
And that's what they want you to believe. You're like, yeah, I got this store make $3.5 million a week. I'm like, okay.
Yeah, I just this guy has a he has a 3.7 from January to November. Oh shit! I don't know how true some of that stuff is though, but
I mean, if I'm making that much money, there's not going to be a lot of people that would know. I would just try to help other people.
mm,
you know,
yeah, he's saying making 4 million. Oh, he's using Amazon, so that I could see that.
yeah,
So when you
there's people that are making like 50,000 a month for Amazon and stuff like that. That's
have
that's
you
that's good stuff.
yeah have you ever tried the Amazon like
Oh yeah, I had a store, an eBay store, Facebook Marketplace store, all of that stuff. Like, mm, I first started eBay back in like 2015.
oh yeah he was in the game yeah early.
Yeah, but I was just buying computers and refurbishing them and selling cell phones, electronics, stuff like that. Then I would find some stuff cheap online and I would just like wholesale ship it. So if somebody buys it off my store, I buy it from somebody else and then just make the difference. But I was like, man, it's too much work.
Yeah,
So this
kind
is
of.
hmm?
No, go ahead.
Oh no, I was just looking. This is a 1 hour candle. Oh
Right
yeah,
now? Yeah.
yeah. I like the setup. I like the setup coming out of the zone.
Let's see, 15. Yeah, it's pushing up.
Yeah, strong close out of the zone will be a good indicator that price wants to move further.
Yeah, just below.
Yeah, I like how that previous 15-minute candle closed above all others.
Yeah, it
Might
does that.
have a deeper retracement into that candle, but that's okay.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I can see it coming back in like this, and
Hmm.
then I think it's another move.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because it's already sweep this, it's taking that low, and then now we're getting that push. For the longest, I never understood some of these, why price would come to some of these areas. Why would they just come like this and shoot up?
Hmm. Because you see, it's just building up a range and misdirecting traders.
Uh, yeah, that
But
it's interesting.
market structure and zones, the very very basic stuff. This is going to keep you on the right side of the market.
No facts. Because like when you
Hmm.
start learning structure and you've seen it move, it's like you don't really need much more than that, to be honest with you.
Yeah, it's just grasping the whole concept behind it. Some people
Yeah,
just like, I just see candlesticks on the charts. Like, give me
yeah.
something that's going to tell me to buy, and give me something that's going to tell me to sell.
So them candlesticks telling you to buy and sell. You just gotta pay attention.
Exactly. It's like you don't need an indicator to read a book.
Not
But I
for
guess we
real.
got audiobooks now, so
Yeah, that's true. Because even when I'm like seeing people that be doing ICT, I'm like, y'all make this shit way more complicated than it has to be.
I mean, at the same time, it's justifying, what they know. So they use certain words, just like how a doctor would talk, and you don't understand what the doctor's saying sometimes, so they got to break it down for you. I
Yeah,
guess it's just to justify the time that they put in.
yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah,
Um,
but I mean, shoot, like if I were to teach something, I want to be able to teach a 5-year-old to do it. I want it to
yeah,
be so simple, and then the deeper you go, the more you know. Then, you know, the more complicated it can get. But keeping it simple is the best thing ever.
that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I was trying to, what was I doing? Calculating if I wanted to make 5,000 a month doing this, it's what 1,200 a week and what 200 and I think 250 a day.
Yeah. Yep.
I was like, it's possible. It's just like,
You could definitely do 250 a day. The thing is, some people when they reach their goal, it's like, oh man, I mean, if I make 500, I could take the next day off. They start to get greedy.
yeah. I said that was me too Friday because all my TPs hit, and then at last minute
Hmm.
I went and did that, and my whole system shut down on me.
Oh no. I
Yeah,
remember.
I
I
was,
remember.
yeah, I was sick. I was like, if I just stayed out the market after because I would have been able to do my live account that Friday.
I was just about to say, like, you would have your live
Yeah,
account by now.
yeah, I'm sick. I was at 1,600. I was like, oh snap, and the whole account just got blown.
Sheesh. So wait, you can't trade off that account anymore, or is
I
it
had to
just like
reset it.
$22? Oh yeah,
I
yeah,
reset it. Got a whole new account.
yeah. That's probably the best. I mean, you could trade with that 22, but it's gonna take
Yeah.
time.
Oh, you said 22?
Yeah, because you had like 25,022 dollars.
Yeah, I thought I was able to trade, but they wouldn't let me trade. So I'm guessing because I've did the 1600, the with Apex, they have I guess the thing I hit the limit, whatever, because they moved the limit of as you make.
Ah,
Yeah, that stuff is stupid.
that's crazy. I
That
thought
was
it
bad.
doesn't go. I thought it didn't go past 25,000 at that point, because
That mean I would have still had the account.
yeah,
Yeah, when
yeah,
I
that's
left,
true.
they took the account. Like Apex, Top Steps allows you you can get
Yeah, I don't.
a 48,200 or 48,50, and you can still trade it.
Damn.
And that's what I did. I got it back up.
See, that's skill right there.
Damn, this shit's not looking good for me.
Well, this is a 15-minute candle. Let me take a look at it on the 1 minute real quick.
I don't ever go to. I know people be trading off the second can the 15th, like the seconds. Damn, this
Yeah,
shit's crazy.
I
You
do
gotta
see people trading off the seconds time frame, and I'm like, yo, that's nuts.
damn, not looking good for me. Oh shit. Damn, price is moving aggressive.
It's what time is it?
It's
It's
probably
1:30. Wow,
London.
pre-London.
Yeah, so I guess my stop loss below. So,
Yeah, you still have a few lines of defense right there.
okay, so it's pushing back up. Damn, that
Yeah,
shit moved aggressively back to.
it didn't take out that though.
Yeah, that took a little up. I gotta. I think one thing I don't do is pay attention to when price if it takes out a low. So whenever it takes down that low, that mean that trade's probably invalid at that point.
Yeah, it's possible if it taps into it, it could just be sweeping to go higher. But if it goes down and closes below,
Below it, get
yeah,
out.
oftentimes it'll give you a nice little wick up, allowing you to like mitigate your loss before it continues going down lower. Because
Okay.
the price moves in waves, so whenever it crashes down, you're gonna get a little pullback before continuation, and vice
Mm,
versa.
yeah, that makes sense. I forgot this is the minute.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
I'm like, damn, this shit moves so quick, but it's.
yeah. This is the minute, so you get a new candle every single minute, so you're just sitting there watching it.
I see why some people trade it though,
Yeah.
especially if your patience not that good. Plus, it came back to touch into the structure that it broke.
Hmm.
So, like, you see how this broke above, right? And then it came back in. Doesn't that count as the retest? Because at that point, it shouldn't even. Well, I guess when we're thinking about the hours, it's gotta.
Yeah, I mean that same pattern, that uptrend happens on all time frames. That could be a daily time frame right there, and it's the same way you have that low down there that trades up, engulfs the intermediary high, pulls back into that area, and then continues. Same way it does with the previous high, pulls back and continues until we break structure on the downside, close below that high that's up there. Then we could pull back and continue downwards, possibly,
Yeah.
unless we break that high. So when price trades back up, if it does, we'll have to see how it trades. If it aggressively trades through that area because, oh yeah, we were just kidding about the shorts. We're really still going up higher because we didn't trade below these lows to the left. That's very
Mhm.
well possible. Or It could be consolidating until we have London open volume to take us out
Mm,
of the zone and higher.
mm. See, I see.
Yeah, this is just on the minute though. So looking at it
Yeah.
on the 15 minute candle could close as doji. So we got that long wick going down to the bottom. The
Oh
top
yeah.
wick didn't break that high yet, but we got our entry. Where's the 50% of the zone? Okay,
So,
your sell stop is right below the 50%, I believe.
so this is where
Yeah,
it's at right here.
yeah.
I could really push it somewhere in there. From here.
Now if we get this candle to trade up above the previous 15-minute candle,
Mm-hmm.
this would be a volatile candle because it broke the high and the low of the previous candle.
Mm. So this right here.
Mm-hmm.
Broke that high, and well, it touched the high, right?
Uh,
Because it ain't. This one's
the
the
current
one that.
candle.
This one it went
Uh,
low and then it shut
mm-hmm.
back up.
Mm-hmm.
This is this type of stuff news does, or the market's waking up, so it's just doing
Yeah,
way
that's that
better.
pre-market volume, especially since we're in a zone.
Mhm.
And when we're in a zone, and when the market is getting ready to open, that's where we
Mhm.
can see some parabolic moves.
Okay, so it's just gonna wait. If somebody's like in somewhere, it's gonna take them out.
Mhm. Excuse me.
These markets are crazy. But a lot of time, I don't think most traders don't understand most of this stuff. It's just
I
you
mean, you
see
got
it.
some traders just trading trend lines. That's it. I mean, they make it, but then the chart looks like pasta. Just lines
Yeah,
everywhere.
it's everywhere. You're like, where are you trying to take a trade at?
Right. But I mean, it makes sense to them, and that's what works with them, and that's the beauty of
Yeah,
it. It's like, whatever works for your mind, you could be
yeah,
profitable with
yeah. Everybody has their way of trading.
it. Hmm. So yeah, we made equal highs up there on the top on the 5 minute so far.
Oh, okay. See,
Not break, not breaking above that up there.
so let's see, and it's not breaking, but well, we don't know if it's going.
Yeah, we still have higher lows. So it's following the structure. We just tapped into that 50.
Yeah,
Now, if we break below the low of that previous 5 minute candle, then that's when I'm like,
mhm.
okay, maybe we need to reconsider something.
Uh, noticing that that's low. If it doesn't break, then we are not going any higher.
Yeah, because it could be just be retesting that 50 to continue up.
Right here.
But breaking
Yeah,
below that low of that 5, and to me, that's like, okay, we're getting ready to head down a little bit further, deeper retracement into the zone.
yeah. You see, pushed up, came back, pushed up again a little bit, came back. We got the almost equal lows. Uh,
It looked like it wicked down a little bit further.
yeah. I guess you could say this did break all that, and it could be retesting.
Yeah,
'Cause from the looks of it, it just tapped it, and then she was dropping. Ugh, it does not look good when you're looking at it.
I mean, remember that trade that we had backtesting? We had a stop right above the wick, and it just barely, almost hit a stop loss and went into profit. That's because we were too early on that trade.
Yeah. I don't like the way prices coming. I don't like that. So it's just aggressive.
Now let's see what it looks like on the 1 minute real quick.
Let's see. Look at
So
this.
we have
Came
that
in.
pin at the top of the zone right there. Trade lower, close below that wick right there to the left. And a little bit of pullback right up there, and we're trading back into the 50.
Fuck. I thought price was gonna shoot up. I expect this. Shit can't fight back into this. It moved to it a little aggressive. Ah shit. My thing got hit.
I got an alert too.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, price tapped into the 50 of the zone that I
Zone.
marked out. Yep.
Yeah, mine just got tapped.
That's from that big push up from Wednesday. Wednesday's close.
I think my stop loss about to get hit. Fuck. Damn. Let's see. I still see price going up.
Yeah, I mean, our we're still, yeah, we just retested that early zone right there. And we just tapped into the 50 level of that one.
It's just pushing aggressively.
And this candle broke the high and the low the previous hour.
Damn, my other thing got hit. The only thing it's about to hit is my stop loss. Fuck. What the fuck? I expect that.
We risk 150 on this.
Nah, I moved. I didn't lose all that. I think I lost like $80. I don't even know where to check it.
Oh, so right where it says account summary, down at the bottom, click that, scroll up. It tells you P&L for the day.
Yeah, I'm down 254.
Okay,
I got an
click that
area.
back.
I don't know what. Watch. Morning time present home. Damn. Unless price is gonna come here, I honestly gonna see it pushing in the lower. Let's see.
I'm looking at the 1 hour time frame. We had a move down since May 20th.
Like it's still
Came
pushing
down.
down.
This is the first day of the new month, and the previous month's low is at 23.26. Previous month's low. So mark that. We just traded in deeper into the zone, but we didn't trade all the way through it yet. And on a 15 minute, just about. Yeah, we're about to trade completely through that zone.
Damn, the now price is weakening.
Hmm.
Took this out. Took this out. Now let's see. Damn. I'm getting another alert.
Oh no, that's the fan in the other room.
Back up. Wow. So yeah, it broke. It looked like it retested to go lower.
Yeah, yeah. But in another 15 minutes, you get London opening. Now we could come back up to that 50 level and get some type of pattern that will give us a direction.
Okay. This, yeah. And you look at it, you like, damn, price need to come back on this area. Try to go low. Damn, don't get this move. Hmm. Ah, gold, you done me dirty.
Gold is a tricky one, man.
Uh,
We'll try back testing gold next session.
I always back test gold.
Yeah, see what we can
Uh,
do. Lately, I've been
Back
back
test.
testing Nasdaq and US 30 a lot.
Huh?
So lately, I've been testing Nas and US 30 a lot. I'm gonna try back testing Bitcoin as well.
Bitcoin. Look, gotta push. I don't trust this type of move.
Yeah, this could be like a small a small bullish candle before we smash down even lower.
Yeah.
So everybody's trying to buy the low now at this point because we're at the zone.
It didn't break out of either zone, honestly.
Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, they're here. Oh man, you should look at gold on the 1 minute right now.
Sorry, gonna come back into here.
I can see that. That low that made that high.
Good. Broken
Trade.
buzz. Falling back
No,
to it.
I mean shoot, it's almost London session now at this point.
Yeah. It's pushing. Damn, look how quick it's moving back up.
Right.
Damn. Price really moving. It's always when they take you out, they want to do the move. Going back up. Very good. And let's see here. You see it?
See what?
Oh, you see how it's moving?
Oh yeah, I see how it's moving.
Damn.
Right at the bottom of the zone.
Yeah, it's coming back into it. See if we get a reaction. Damn. It's moving fast too. So if it break above it, probably could look to go long.
No, say it again.
I said if it break above, probably look to go long.
Yeah, possibly. Like if we
Let's see.
see a series of small bullish candles right at that 50.
Yeah, to break above and test. There we go.
That's right where the stop loss was.
Huh?
That's right at where the stop loss was. Come right back into it.
Alright. I want to see it close above and test. Let's see. Okay. Wow. It's crazy.
Clockwork. Excuse me.
Wow.
Right there at the 50 again.
Let's see.
Bearish candle didn't break that high.
Yeah, it didn't close above.
So it's an inside candle.
Huh?
So it's inside the previous candle.
Yeah.
So that's what I see right here.
Okay.
Starting to consolidate right at that area.
Yeah, it's kind of just playing with it.
We got that 5 minute about to close above. This is a large 15-minute candle. It's trading inside. It goes about the okay. Yeah, on that 1 hour, that body's getting smaller. And we're about to close the hour in a couple seconds.
I'll say, yeah, I see that.
with the new hour. New hour starting. Trade back into that 50.
Dang.
Oh, no, we didn't even get there yet.
Probably just really sitting there.
Mm.
Oh, here we go.
We close above that high. No, we just wicked up there. Still making higher highs. I'm sorry, higher lows on the wicks. The bodies are getting closer.
Hmm. Let's see. Damn. It can be how you just it just start playing around.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because we're at an important level right there at well, it's not London open, but it's Europe open.
Oh no. It look like it's trading below.
Okay.
Look. Yeah.
Excuse
It didn't break. Uh, we would need to see it break these lows. And it still hasn't traded above either. Yep, just broke the lows. That's interesting. Watching it in the lower time, you can actually see the play.
me. Yep. I mean, it's the same thing that plays out on the higher time frames.
Yeah, I think just less patient.
Mm-hmm.
You don't have patience. It happen in an hour.
Exactly. And the thing with the limited is, if you once you see the setup and you recognize it, you can't just sit there and wait. You gotta act on it because it could leave you. Oof. Okay.
Um,
Excuse me.
I really thought price was gonna go up, so this kind of surprised me.
Well, this is the first 15-minute candle of the open. Made equal highs on the 15-minute. So we're trading back into the body of the previous 15.
Yeah, so right around.
Let's So this could be a deeper retracement to go back even further up, or we just trade completely through it and we lose support. But we gotta see how it plays out. Where's my box? Oh, there it is.
Timo. Timo.
Dog, dog snoring too loud.
He's snoring.
All right, I got you. Tell the dog stop snoring.
Let's see. The push.
I think the dog stink. Oh, he's farting. Damn.
Damn. Quite drop. See what just happened?
Oh yeah, I see it went down deeper. Okay. Uh, oh yeah, right into the zone.
Mm-hmm.
All right. If we fail to break this low and break this high, we could have an opportunity to buy.
Mhm.
If not, then pull back to the 50 of that area would be good. No topic on camera. Oh, yeah.
Oh shit.
Straight and low.
Straight lower.
Approaching the 50.
I think it's gonna break it.
Yeah, the way that it's falling. Yep, selling right through.
Damn. So it is still one trend lower. We broke structure, pulled back in, shoot down, came back in here, and then retested again.
We still haven't closed below that 15-minute candle yet, though.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Got another 20 seconds for this minute candle to close.
Let me see what's the 145.
Turning bullish.
So this is it. Boom. Got a wick. Oh, damn. Got that push.
Uh-huh.
See, the 5 giving us. Okay. Wow. Get that thing under 15. Yeah, number 15 is just looking like a wood.
Yeah, because it's pulling back now.
Mm-hmm. And let's see. Boom, 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 boom. It's like a good setup. On the 1 minute. Hmm. Oh.
Uh-huh. All right, so I'm tapping to that 50.
All right.
Price came down.
Hmm.
Had a wick down below. Didn't close above.
You said
Coming.
then.
Yeah. Well, I'm marking it up. I'll show you.
Boom, 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 boom.
Where is it? There we go.
Yeah, it's kind of.
So heavy cosmetic.
I like the setup, but I'm hesitant to buy.
So we had that initial push up,
Mm-hmm.
that first push,
Mm-hmm.
and we're getting close to the 50 again. If we get another bullish reaction out of that, then I would take it. But we still have. Okay. Yeah, we'll just wait and see how this one is. I think I'll share a screenshot. I think we pretty much got the same thing.
You say you got stop sharing the screen.
Yeah, it's just sent the screenshot. But I think it's pretty much the same thing we're looking at right now.
Let me see. Oh, you sharing your screen, right?
Oh no, that's on the chat.
Oh, okay.
Wait, let me see. Can I share a trading view on this?
Yeah, you can.
Window, entire screen. Yeah, let's do entire screen. Yeah. Let's go. So
Yeah,
this off the screen.
go moving weird. It's still pushing down.
Uh-huh. And when we look at it, we're coming down from the all-time high.
Mm-hmm.
Still making legs down. This was a large box right here.
Mm-hmm.
Broke past that, and now we retest the last line of defense before we get to this low.
Mm-hmm.
And it looks like we're pushing through a little bit of resistance at the 50. You see that we tapped the high and the low on this hour
Mm-hmm.
right before London open, and now I think the London session volume will push us to continue going down.
Yeah.
So these pullbacks right here are great areas to get in. If we get another pullback, then I would look for something maybe around here. So we get out of this range and pull back to continue going down
Yeah, it's
or
breaking
here. Yeah.
breaking through it.
As gold's been falling, but at the same time, we're not too far from the all-time high.
Mm-hmm.
This is just one zone. All-time high being at 24.54, just about $110 away. Nice little pullback.
Pulling back.
Yeah, because you see anybody that shorted below this candle because it closed below came back up. Oh, what is this? Came back up just 10 pips. See if we go back at least 25. 25 will bring us back into this area. 25 pit stop loss, huh? If we do get bearish confirmation around this area,
Oh.
it's well within the 25 pip stop loss.
Mm-hmm.
We'll target at the end of the zone. And this is where we take like partials. And then I'd do a default of 50 pips take profits. Because if my stop loss is 25, my take profit's 50, that's a 1 to 2 every time.
Yeah.
So it wants to may do that little trickling thing before it comes up and comes back down if it retraces. 5 more minutes until the new 30-minute candle. It's 30-minute. Triggered this low right here. So yeah, we got to pull back over here. Get a stop loss close to the high of the 30-minute.
Okay.
This is the real high of the 30-minute right here. So the closer we can get to that, the better. But this would be our first look at an entry if price doesn't just blow right through it.
Push, push, push. Price is kind of just.
Playing with your emotions, man.
Yeah.
If you don't get the tap, that trade is capped.
Am I not saying something right?
What?
Okay. You know where you put the
Hmm?
from the higher low?
You said
The,
where I put the what?
uh, where you put the risk reward thing?
Oh, this right here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'm looking. Price broke. Retested. Why you put it under there? Am I
Oh,
missing something? Am I not seeing something?
so yeah, this was just the high
Uh huh.
that made the new low.
Uh huh.
And we had this high to make this low.
Uh huh.
And this is pretty much our box. So we're waiting for it to trade above.
Oh, okay.
So once it
Oh, you're
breaks,
looking. Okay,
yeah,
okay. Let's see.
this would be.
I was like, I don't see a structure break to put it under there. So I was like, I was in under. Okay, I see it. Okay, I got you now.
Yeah, this is just a lower time frame, like, because on the seconds chart, like, this could be like a hidden supply and demand zone right here
Yeah.
if it holds up. And you can see we get a small reaction right here where it pushes up like almost 10 pips
Mm-hmm.
before we come back down.
Okay, I get you.
Yeah, what this looks like to me is, scale it back. This is the whole day so far. People shorting the market at the low of the day.
Mm-hmm.
We see that we have this big candle that just brings us all the way down to the bottom of the zone, but not quite past it.
Mm-hmm.
Come back 55 pips, and then we're back at this area right now.
Mm-hmm.
And then we can have 1, 2, 3, and fall, or we can have one of these. And just take out everybody that was shorting right here at the open. And we can see that at 3 a.m.
Yeah. I'll probably try to get in New York time, like in a retest if it's pushing up.
Yeah, I mean, shoot, London session ain't that bad. Let me I might come back to not tomorrow because today
Yeah.
is the third, but I might come back next London session and do a couple trades. Let me see.
I just think the bias was just wrong. I didn't think it'd keep trading lower, honestly.
Well, get the structure on a higher time frame real quick. Gold. Pull it up on the 4 hour. Okay, yeah. So we've had this high over here on the 4 hour. We closed above, made a new high,
Mm-hmm.
and what we did, we took
Broke
these
that.
lows,
Mm-hmm.
took that low on the way down,
Broke that low.
took that low, and now we still have this low,
Uh,
and then this low that was just created.
yeah, it's to take that down.
Right. And on the upside, we have shorter term pullbacks with these areas of interest. Tapped
Mm-hmm.
into one, almost made it to the second. I mean, right here, this is just a big move down, and you see small pullback up, and we don't know. We could have another leg up to take out these areas, but we may have a larger range,
Mm-hmm.
right? Play out for the whole entire week, just taking out highs, coming back down, taking out lows before we have NFP Friday come in and take out a major level.
Yeah.
So, on the day we just want to get paid, and then when the big news comes out, the huge news events, which we'll probably have a ton because it's the first week of the month.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, yeah, there's probably going to be a lot of news releasing in London this week, so I'm gonna tune in for a couple London session trades.
Yeah.
Test out a few theories, but yeah, we just came from making a new all-time high, so people are just taking profit. Um, on the 1 hour, you see that we started over here. This is our low the previous week,
Mm-hmm.
making these highs and these lows. This high broke this low right here,
Mm-hmm.
traded back into the previous range, and then we got a short into this zone before we
Mm-hmm.
continue going up higher,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So now we got a new high made.
Uh-huh.
We violate this low, and now just a small short term pullback, and we're still technically bullish. We're at the last line of defense again before we get into the low that created these new highs.
No highs.
Right.
Okay.
So this is
Yeah.
a major area right here
Mm-hmm.
that we could be driving towards. This is on the 1 hour.
Yeah.
So short term, um, I guess I'll just do it like this. So short term, we're bullish for this whole week, and then on Friday we had that massive breaking structure, breaking this low,
Mm-hmm.
revisiting this low, for shorter term pullback, revisiting this low, which we could have a shorter term pullback to revisit this low.
Mm.
Because this is what the structure is showing us right now at this point.
Yeah.
But until we break these highs over here,
Mm-hmm.
come back and retest some structure to go up higher,
Mm-hmm.
we're still favoring sells because of this massive move down.
Yeah.
So the trend right now is on the higher time frame is shorts, but short term bullish movement. Because on a daily chart, it looks like a mess a little bit, but it may make more sense because you see this high over here that was violated. Now we make new lows.
Mm-hmm.
And on the day we pull back, we can see these lows get taken out before NFP and then make a new high.
Mm.
Because overall, I mean, gold for the longest time has been just
Oh.
bullish.
Yeah.
So the sells are short term, but the buys are what we're looking for. But since we just made a new all-time high, just keep in mind there's a lot of profit taking going on, and to some people, price might be a little bit too high. But
Mhm.
the same could be said about the Nasdaq and the Dow Jones,
Yeah.
and
All
you
of
can,
them.
yeah, all of them, and you can see them just keep rallying. That'd be Bitcoin
Mm-hmm.
made new all-time highs this year too. So who's to say that won't continue?
Yeah.
Yeah, but just for looking at the very next day or the very next session, depending on where we're at, right? Because we could wake up in the morning and New York session is down here, but we've been consolidating in the gap time. So it's like, okay, we're consolidating right above a level. We could
Mhm.
reverse.
Mhm.
Or if we're up here consolidating and we didn't break any highs or anything, all right, we could get some bearish candlestick patterns right at New York open for us to go even lower.
Okay.
But we'll see. I'll be up early. I'll be
Yeah.
at the office, so I'm gonna be on the screen at 9 o'clock.
Yeah. Me too.
All
I
right.
gotta make all that money I lost. Shit.
Man, on Friday you passed the challenge, so you did it before. You can do it again. So we're gonna make sure you get this funded.
Yeah.
All right.
Uh, I I know you're gonna post something in the morning, so I'll see what you post.
Hold on, I can't hear you. Say again.
No, I said I know you're gonna post something in the morning.
Oh yeah, of course. You already know. Every day.
That's good.
Yes, sir. All right, Roger. You will call it a night.
All right.
Great stream though.
It's good.
All right. Catch you in the morning, bro.
All right.